Welcome to another InMotion hosting video tutorial. My name is Arnel Custodio, and today we will be talking about the patterns option in the WordPress visual editor, what they are and how to use them. What are patterns? Patterns are commonly used blocks that are assembled in order to make it quicker and easier to add content to your posts using the visual editor. In order to access the blocks, you will need to be in the WordPress visual editor editing a post. So here I'm in a new post, and I'm going to show you where you can find the patterns within the editor. So if you click on Add Block in the top left-hand corner, you'll immediately see that there's three options, and one of them is Patterns. So here you can see the patterns that are available in the editor right now. There are 10 patterns that you can see here, and they're divided into 5 different groups. You can see buttons, columns, gallery, headers, and text. If you want to use a pattern, it's just a matter of simply clicking on it and then using it. You see that when I've clicked on it, it appears immediately within the editor. Now, each of these patterns are pre-populated with filler content. So as soon as you put it in there, you can see how it's formatted within your post. And you can actually click on the actual content itself and then replace it immediately with your own. So this is another quick way to access the patterns that are available within the visual editor. Normally you can click on the plus sign on the top left-hand corner, but you can also add blocks by clicking on the plus sign underneath a block or above a block. So here we're going to go ahead and click on the plus sign underneath the block that I've added earlier, and then you're going to see the commonly used blocks that you're using within your editor at this time. So if you don't see patterns immediately, you can click on Browse All at the bottom. It will bring back the blocks that you can access, and then you can click on Patterns again. So I'm going to add another block here with a gallery this time instead. And as soon as I click on it, you can see that the gallery immediately appears underneath the existing block. And that's how you use patterns within the visual editor in WordPress at this time. If you like the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up below and also subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for listening, and have a great day. Check out our InMotion Hosting Support Center for help with your website. We provide thousands of step-by-step guides, videos, and much more to lead you towards making your online project a successful one. You can find us at www.inmotionhosting.com/support.